Today's question is, how can I get my business mentioned in ChatGPT responses? I've noticed that customer search patterns are shifting, especially when it comes to seeking quick answers. What strategies can we implement to future-proof our business? Oh, that's a great question. Let me break it down for you. If you're wondering how to optimize your business for success in today's digital landscape, especially with AI tools and GEO optimization becoming so important, here's what you need to focus on. Brain will answer this question, as he is expert in this domain.
Thank you, Anthony. Let me tell you, search behaviors are evolving, as we all know. AI now plays a crucial role in determining which businesses gain visibility. Gone are the days when SEO alone was enough. Today, AI scans the entire internet, from websites to social media, reviews, and even Q&A platforms like Quora and Reddit. So how do you future-proof your business in this AI-driven search era? The key lies in clear website messaging, a strong digital reputation, strategic content creation, and detailed customer reviews. I explain it further in a precise manner. 1. Clarify your website messaging. First things first, your website messaging needs to be crystal clear. Think about it. When people land on your site, they should immediately understand what you offer. Avoid using industry jargon or overly fancy language that might confuse them. For example, instead of saying something like, "We empower businesses with data-driven social engagement strategies tailored to evolving platform algorithms," just say, "We help small businesses with social media optimization." See the difference? It's simple, straightforward, and easy to understand. The key here is to avoid words that are confusing or have multiple meanings. Clarity wins. Number 2, get your business mentioned on reputable websites. AI tools today scan the entire internet, not just your website. This includes social media posts, comments, review websites, and even forums like Reddit and Quora. AI tools analyze the sentiment associated with your brand name. If customers have a negative perception of your business, it can be challenging to gain positive mentions. Think of this as building your digital reputation. The more authoritative and positive mentions you have, the more trustworthy AI considers your business. Number 3, create a listicle post featuring your business. Write a blog post that lists the best businesses in your industry, something like 11 best beach-facing resorts in XYZ city, and put your business name at number 1. Although this strategy has been around for a while, it still works wonders. I have personally generated hundreds of leads using this method. Just remember to promote this blog across as many platforms as possible. If it ranks on the first or second page of search results, AI tools will consider these lists when generating recommendations. Make sure the post is detailed, balanced, and offers genuine insights about competitors, all while being 100% SEO optimized. Number 4, encourage detailed customer reviews. AI tools prioritize reviews from platforms like Google Reviews, Yelp, and industry-specific sites. Instead of asking customers for generic feedback, encourage them to share specific results they achieve with your business. The more detailed the review, the better AI understands why you should be recommended. Positive reviews can significantly impact your online reputation. These are some key points you have to keep in mind. Now let me share my findings. Remember back in the mid-2000s, when simply having a website and focusing on SEO was enough to start generating leads? Fast forward to 2015, and social media evolved from a platform for making friends into an essential business tool. By 2015, combining SEO with social media marketing became key. Now here we are in 2025, and there's one more piece added to the puzzle: GEO. If your SEO and social media marketing strategies are streamlined and effective, then optimizing for GEO will work wonders for your business. Remember, clarity in messaging, building a positive reputation online, creating engaging content, and encouraging detailed reviews are all crucial steps toward success.